so wonderful to be here in San Diego for PestWorld, one of our favorite events to see all of our great WorkWave PestPac customers.
PestWorld also represents an important mark in the year for us. A lot of the development work we do, we aim to release here at PestWorld and give them a first glimpse into it. So far, the feedback's been great. I think they appreciate that we're focusing not just on helping them service the customer, but also in helping them grow their business to reach their full potential. Because it's really that insight that they bring back to our folks, the close partnership that we have with them that helps us make PestPac the leading software in the pest control industry.
We're excited to be launching PestPac Select. PestPac Select brings all of the power and 30+ years of experience in the pest control industry that PestPac can offer you down to an easy to use, easy to learn, easy to implement interface. We also are fully integrated into payments. You can take credit cards in the field, credit cards from our portal, credit cards in the office.
And that's really how we're looking at the entire service lifecycle and how we're continuing to expand in sales and marketing, your customer contact, looking at sketches, your proposal writing, your contracts issuing, mobile, everything that you need to run paperless and deliver the great customer service that you are best at. We here at WorkWave are so passionate about what we can do for you.